She heard that from a movie or something.
You put that piece of bread. Don't try and switch with that one now.
No, I'm not. I don't with that one. That's really extra. That's disgusting.
Hey, mine. Mark my territory.
Why not? Why not?
Kick.
Why not? And it's your free. I need you some true competition.
Everybody shake your baby.
Why not?
See, it's supposed to be down there.
Can I do it again? Here it comes.
I don't feel like
I'm
wasting
just
that.
trying to do less dishes, y'all. How
But
y'all doing?
I don't feel like wasting that knife and spoon.
Well, I'm gonna use this knife. How y'all doing out there? Welcome to Why Not? Yes, you missed them out.
I just saw that.
Oh, yes. Well, y'all, this is our meal we cooked for Sunday. Tyra did the gravy, the macaroni and cheese. I did seared the, what are these again? Short ribs, the peas, doctored up the potato salad, and that's it. It's in my grace. Lord, we want to thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Help it to nourish our bodies, and these words we ask in your son, Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Oh. What y'all ended up eating Sunday? What? You didn't get no peas?
I don't like peas.
What? I don't know what you missed them.
I told you that last week.
Yeah, I can't have my potato salad touch my hot food. So what's going on at work, Tyra?
Well, the kids have gone back to school, so I don't go to work till 3, and today was my first day going there till 3, and the bus didn't get there till almost 6 o'clock.
Oh, wow.
So I didn't even get to see the kids. Well, I saw the kids because I had left my phone. Granddaddy had to back up.
I know I was calling it.
Yeah, because I left my phone out. And Granddaddy,
That's my short rib, yeah.
Granddaddy said if he would have got too far, he wouldn't have turned
I
around.
know that's right.
So that's when I saw them. They were getting, because right when he was pulling off, the bus was pulling up. So I saw some of the kids when I went to go get my phone. They came running up to me, Tyra.
Drew?
I just tried to pick it up with my fork.
I'm short ribs is delicious.
Yeah, they were doing a lot of extra.
What? See? Don't get in the kitchen if you don't want to get burned. What is
What are
that?
you talking about?
I know what you said. I caught what you said.
I said because you were doing a lot of extra.
I know. I caught it.
Okay. So why'd you say if you hurt me?
I want you to repeat it.
And where did you get that saying from? That was so corny.
What?
So cliche. Don't get in the kitchen if you don't want to get burnt. She heard that from a movie or something.
You put that piece of bread. Don't try and switch with that one now.
No, I'm not. I don't with that one. That's really extra. That's disgusting.
Hey, mine. Mark my territory. Oh, I love a good short rib. Especially getting that meat from around the bone.
I'm tired. I didn't really do nothing yet.
That's why you're tired.
I went to bed early last night.
Mm-hmm.
And I slept at the head of the bed.
I know.
Normally y'all sleep at the bottom. Oh, that's the head of the bed. Right? What's the head of the bed?
Where you slept at last night?
Oh, so I normally
sleep at the foot.
I normally sleep at the foot. Oh, that makes sense. You rest your head. But I normally sleep at the foot of the bed. I don't know why, but I just sleep at the foot of the bed. But last night, I went to bed early. Yeah.
With the lights on. With the lights on.
I went to sleep with the light on. And when she came in.
Who's she? You could have said when you came in. She. Like him downstairs. You know I'm going out.
No.
I ain't said that in a minute, bro.
I ain't never heard you say that.
What? You need to go back to our old videos.
You never said that him downstairs thing.
Yes, I did.
No, you
That's
have
Bernie Mac. When you said the last sheet that time.
You've never said that, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
No, you have not.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Y'all tell her y'all heard it.
Mommy, when I say she, I'm referring to you, obviously. When I'm saying she, I'm referring to you.
Why not?
But
why you gonna say you?
My mother.
When you came.
My mother came into
You
the
say
room.
mom when you. How many you?
Well, anyways. My mom, you turned off the light. Cause I'm telling them the story. You turned off the light, and I was sleeping at the foot for a little bit. Then out of nowhere, I changed my pajamas, and then I slept at the head. I don't know why. I never sleep at the head of the bed, but I slept good at the head of the bed.
This is delicious.
That gravy.
That's the meat
It's the gravy.
that made that tenderized and seasoned that gravy. Y'all make sure y'all go and check out how we made this meal. It was a tag team back again.
You said the meat tenderized the gravy.
No. Seasoned it.
Play that back.
I said tenderized and seasoned. And then I went in to say seasoned. Yes.
Tenderized and seasoned. That's what you said.
Right.
So the gravy was tenderized.
I said and seasoned.
Yes, tenderized and seasoned. The gravy. That's
Due
what
to
you
the
said.
meat. But yes, please go check out how it's prepared. Quick and easy. It was done in less than an hour and 30 minutes. A whole meal. That's the macaroni.
I did good at macaroni.
That
I did good at macaroni.
yeah, she getting hip to cause she always like, hey, you use box macaroni. You don't do your own cheese sauce.
You're not wearing a shirt.
They look like one.
Got all your cleavage out.
So y'all, she done mastered that box. Don't even taste like it came from one. So it's all about how you prepare your food. You can come from a can, a jar, a box, a garden, the yard. All about how you prepare it. But it tastes good. I did like you. I was rude, son. That hot sauce good on that taste salad. But still eating, bro. I'm full. After 3 bites, I'm full.
This is only a little bit of rice. I think because all that bread I was eating.
I forgot what brand is this. What brand East Rose? I can't remember. Girl, it came in a pan. But they she also make them in in the bag too.
What is wrong with you? Why you keep looking at me like that?
You just not blew out your nose.
No, I
Turn the
didn't.
other way.
No, I did not. That was my mouth.
But the other brand is in the bag. I'm like, I could dirty up one of my pans and put them in the bag. I mean, in the pan. Or I could just buy them already in the pan and put the pan in the oven. So, threw the bag back in there. I'm full. Take another bite.
What, you the full patrol?
What you had to eat them?
I had cereal. Also made me some chili cheese fries.
Where you get chili cheese from? Where you get chili from?
Sloppy Joe's.
Oh. All of it gone? Put it in the freezer.
I only made a little bit. That little bowl right there.
Oh. How many of y'all saw Potomac? I'll talk about that later.
You can go and talk about it. I don't feel like watching it.
It wasn't all that. Giselle trying to bully on Mia. And Mia falling for it. Talking Mia any kind of way. It's being extremely rude.
I met Giselle. Took a picture with her. I think I gave her a business card.
Well,
Pretty sure I did.
I'll probably take this for lunch. Yeah, I'm so full. Y'all say it with me.
I haven't even drunk.
Why not?
I haven't even drunk anything. Because I ain't fixed me a cup. I had 2 cans.
The tea was awful at Wingstop.
2 cans. They normally have good tea.
I don't know who making it this time.
You should have tasted it before.
I did. I didn't get it.
Oh.
I actually got the
Can you
cherry
get
cup.
some Wingstop with it?
I just bought Wingstop back.
Not the wings that I get.
Oh,
And you don't have ranch, so.
ranch is in there. But I had left over.
Oh.
What are you gonna do with that bread?
Not yet. It's too hard. You heard that?
All right, y'all. Thank y'all for eating dinner with us. Y'all hadn't seen her in a minute, so I said I'd bring her. Y'all, she is so close. 100 off for about 5,000. So since we're tired tonight, I don't think we're going live.
Well, we can.
Okay. So y'all already seen us live. So we here now. Hope y'all enjoyed the live. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you have notifications every time that I post, and making sure you got nothing in your teeth. And go over to Tyra's Big World of Flavor, do the same for her. And why not get together with your child and just eat and chat.
Body shake your baby.
Why not?